Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit. Bougie still do ratchet shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Lo here. What's good? What's popping? So I want to give you guys my facial day type of routine. I'm just showing you guys what my face looked like before, pimples, burns from that acne treatment. So let's get into it, y'all. So all the links for the products that I'll be using will be in the description box. I will try to get all of them if possible in there, so just definitely check down below. First thing I'm going in with is my Urban RX Melanin Expert. Now, this is the first time I'm actually using this product or line or whatever. This is the only thing I got out of their line. I usually use my Neutrogena Acne Prone Skin Pink Grapefruit and my Eco Scrub tool, and usually use that to wash my face. But this product has been working so good so far. I leave it on for a couple minutes and then go in with my scrub. Now, the one I'm actually using in the actual video is from Walmart, because they were out of the St. Ives, but I usually use the St. Ives face scrub, and I just go ahead and then scrub my face on top of my face wash and then just wash it all off together, or I do it separately. It just all depends, y'all. Do what you gotta do. And then I just go in with my DIY mask, my bentonite, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice mask. I just mix it all together and just apply it on my face and let that dry. And you guys know turmeric is great for lightening your skin, especially dark marks and stuff like that. So I try to create this little quick face mask so that it's all natural and it's homemade and it does what it's supposed to do, you know what I'm saying? Because it gives what it's supposed to give, okay? But I usually just apply this mask all over my face and maybe sometimes on my neck and just let it sit on my face for a little while. The best way to apply this mask and let it adhere to your face is having your face a little damp, y'all, because I'm telling you, it feel rough going on your face super dry. So just kind of have your face kind of damp, okay? And while I'm doing that, I wipe it off my lips and I apply my what is it, Mary Kay lip scrub, shea butter lip scrub, and I just apply it on my lips to kind of just scrub my lips and get all the dead skin cells off my lips. And then I just rinse off. I kind of just dab my face off a little bit with my washcloth, and I go in with my aloe vera. I do have an aloe vera plant at my house, so I try to use that to go ahead and, I think this is, I don't remember what this is called, but I shave my face, child. I shave my face because I don't want my makeup to hair on my face all smooth and everything. I don't want to have no hair on my face because, child, I feel like a hairy wolf because I am hairy as hell, honey. I'm hairy. So this kind of helps out a little bit to just make sure your makeup going smooth and, you know, get rid of my little mustache and whatnot. Don't judge me. If you guys don't do this, it is fine. You don't have to. I do it. I've been doing this since God knows what. I've been doing this since middle school, honestly, before this was even popping. I used to shave my face all the time. I'll get the little blade from the beauty supply store for 99 cents and shave my face. But now I'm pro at it, which I actually do apply a little aloe vera or a nice little soothing type of toner to my face that has some type of, you know, gel substance to kind of easily guide the razor across my face. And just get off all the hair. I know I was looking like I'm going super rough because it's going fast, but trust me, it's not as bad. And I do wipe that off with alcohol, and I just go ahead and steam my face, open up my pores. Now everything is smooth and fresh and everything like that. I just try to open my pores, and I usually take this time to meditate, manifest, do some affirmations in my head, and just get a vibe, you know what I'm saying? Just create a whole vibe, because facial routines and your skincare is a vibe, y'all. A straight vibe. And then I just go ahead and put on my lip mask by Bite. I had got this in influencer box. I think I show you guys, I remember I have that shown you guys before, but it actually is really thick and nice. I know I'm over here looking like Dave Chappelle with these white lips, but the hydration, y'all, it's the hydration for me. So whenever I'm done with that, I usually just go in and try to extract what I think that's right. Estrac. I don't know why I can't get it out. But remove all these bumps and pimples and whiteheads off my face. And I usually do it when I open up my pores from the steam. It actually is like the best time to do it. Everything's nice and plump and juicy. Girl, get it. I have this little low-key obsession with watching people like, you know, take pimples and pop pimples. Like Dr. Pimple Popper is my junk. But that's a little quick little know about me, child. But yeah, I just go in and try to just like get all the whiteheads, the pimples, and like I showed you guys before, my face was breaking out in the worst way. And that usually happens when I don't wash my hair regularly. I have not been, you know, drinking my water and stuff like that, but it's mainly my hair. I don't know why my skin's changing like this. Like if I do not wash my hair every week, it like shows up on my skin. I don't know why that's happening. I don't know if it's the products or what, but I have to make sure I wash my face. So I went ahead and I took a video of that right before I started my facial routine, and kind of later on or a day before or earlier in the week, that week before I actually did my facial routine, you guys will see that I have that, you know, before, and by the end of this facial routine, you guys will see that it actually goes down a little bit. My skin look a little smoother. I maybe will post a picture of my after, possibly somewhere on the screen, to show you guys what my face look like after a couple days of, you know, after I had my face and my hair wash and whatnot. My skin was looking way better. But make sure you guys are taking care of your skin. I'm telling you, take care of your skin. I just want to show y'all, like, you know, get that stuff in the gunk out, especially by your nose, child, on the pores and everything. Like, get into it, baby. All right. Okay, so let's move on. After I go ahead and take all my whiteheads out and everything, I go into my witch hazel. My witch hazel is technically my toner, so I just go ahead and put that over my face. I use that every day. It doesn't burn like alcohol, but it tones my skin really, really well, and make sure I get any leftover dirt, makeup residue, and whatever off my face after I have washed it. And then I go in with my serum. I do a hyaluronic acid serum by this Providence Beauty. I find all my beauty stuff at Marshall's. You guys know Marshall's, TJ Maxx, those is my go-to places. So I definitely get my face stuff from them. And then I go with my Jade Roller. I did pick this one up from Five Below. I will try to find, like I said, I'll try to find products really close to what I have in this video in the description box, so you guys can try it as well, or get something very similar. But I just go with my Jade Roller, and it is cold because I did have my air on and stuff like that. So it's definitely cold. I use it to massage my face and, you know, do what you gotta do. And then I go in with aloe vera gel. I usually moisturize with this only, just depending on how my skin is. And because I've been putting on my acne treatment and stuff, it's been really drying my skin out, and sometimes it burns my skin. So aloe vera is good to help with burns and stuff. So me applying that is good. So I applied that, and then it wasn't enough hydration for me. So I go back in with my face moisturizer by e.l.f. And I've been using this as like OG for me. Like, I will link other facial skin routines that I have up in the cards or whatever. But like e.l.f. moisturizer, like, that really does hydrate your skin, sis. Like, that cream is everything. So I just apply that to my face, and then I just moisturize my lips, boo. Because nobody likes dry lips, all right? Nobody likes dry lips. And who doesn't love a good Vaseline, all right? Oldie but goodie. Get your Vaseline or whatever lip balm works for you. Shea butter, cocoa butter, whatever. And yeah, y'all, this is pretty much how my face looks after I'm done, like, moisturized, hydration, glowing, everything popping. So let me know some of your favorite skincare products, what your routine is. And until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.